York gets a lot of attention and it deserves it, but there's a pocket of York that most people completely overlook, and honestly, the locals who live there would probably prefer to keep it that way. If you've been searching in York and thinking, I love the area, but I want space, I want trees, I want to actually feel like I'm in Maine, that place exists, and it's called Cape Neddick. Today I'm taking you inside a home that I just listed that is the perfect example of what this part of York is all about, and by the end of this, you're gonna see exactly why it deserves way more attention than it gets. But before we get to the home, let me show you exactly where Cape Neddick sits, because once you see it on the map, everything else just makes sense. Most buyers searching the York area get funneled straight towards York Beach or York Village, the names they already know. Cape Neddick doesn't have the same recognition, so buyers either skip right past it or don't fully understand where it even sits on the map. And so here's the geography that changes everything. Cape Neddick is tucked away directly between York Beach to the south and Ogunquit to the north, two of the most visited stretches of coastline in all of Maine. But Cape Neddick itself is wooded, quiet, and spread out. Yeah, you've got neighbors, but a lot of the times you can't see them. You've got acreage, but you're not sitting in the middle of nowhere. We're talking about 2 to 3 acre wooded lots like the one that we're in today that put you 5 minutes from the ocean in either direction. That combination, real privacy and genuine beach access, is almost impossible to find anywhere in southern Maine. Cape Neddick is one of the only places where it actually exists, and most buyers searching this area have no idea. And so now you know what makes this area special. The harder question is, does the home actually live up to it? Let me show you the property here at 141 Logging Road because it is really special. A lot of buyers fall in love with Cape Neddick the moment they understand what it is. Wooded, private, 5 minutes from the ocean. The harder part is finding a home that actually matches that lifestyle. You know, most of what comes up on the market here is older stock, good bones maybe, but not built for the way that people actually want to live today. However, 141 Logging Road is definitely the exception. This is a newly completed, custom-built contemporary farmhouse on 2.76 wooded acres. And from the moment you walk through those grand double glass doors, it delivers. Vaulted ceilings, wide plank floors, wrought iron railings, black trimmed windows. The design has a point of view and it really commits to it throughout. The chef's kitchen is anchored by a large island with black quartz counters, white cabinetry, designer lighting, and high-end stainless steel appliances. It then opens directly into this incredible living and dining area where a wall of windows frames the tree line. And so whether you're cooking or just having your morning coffee, the woods are always part of the room. The primary suite is on the main level, along with the guest room, full bath and laundry, everything you need without ever touching the stairs. Head upstairs and you've got an oversized loft that works as a family room, a home office, a gym, really whatever you need it to be, plus 2 more full bedrooms and a 3rd full bath. And then the wraparound deck that ties it all together, that's where Cape Neddick living actually happens. Up in the canopy, completely private, with the sound of nothing but the woods all around you. 45 minutes to Portland, an hour to Boston, 5 minutes to Ogunquit. This is what it looks like when the home actually matches the place it's sitting in. This is Cape Neddick. This is what York's hidden gem actually looks like when you find the right property. If you're relocating to southern Maine and trying to figure out where you actually belong, that's exactly what we help people with every day. You can get all the details on this property by reaching out directly. The link is right in the description. And if this gave you a clear picture of the area, subscribe and watch this video right here, where we talk about what no one will tell you when it comes to living in York.